Jeffrey's at church right now. I'm home with the kids. Say hello. Good morning. I'm home with the kids and he's at church service right now. I'm going to go after him. So I just cleaned up the house a little. I cleaned up the house a little bit and then I'm gonna make them breakfast. And honestly, by the time they're like finished eating, he should probably be back. Church service isn't too long, so I also need to make sure I get ready in this time. Hence the do-rag over the twist out. But yeah, I'm just gonna make them breakfast. And today on our agenda, we are going to decorate for fall. And Jason and I are gonna bake some cookies. So I'm really excited about that. But let me feed these kids. Anyways, this is my outfit. I'm just wearing an Aritzia little vest top with Aritzia little slack looking pants. And then we have my hair out. It's really so crazy though. Oh, that seemed bad, I guess. Whoa. I was just saying it's crazy how like natural hair, how you have to break the idea of like it not being dressed up enough or done well enough, because like this is as good as it's gonna get, but I feel like it should get a lot better. I feel like it looks messy, but this is just my hair, so I have to accept that. But Jeffrey is back. Yes, Daddy's home. Time to switch off. And time for me to head to church. Oh, Daddy brought you an apple bag? Ooh.
Apple.
Yes, yummy apples. Say thank you, Dada.
What's up, vlog? I'm not really sure what's been going on, but kids and the dogs making noise, barking, so I'm just about to clean up while Kim's gone a little bit. I know when she gets back, probably gonna hop on the grill, put the groceries away whenever they get here, from Instacart. Huh? The what? I don't know what you're saying, but yeah, I'm just about to clean up, change out of my clothes that I wore to church today. Yeah, I was up early this morning. At the church service, it was a great service today. And yeah, I'm gonna hang out with the kids, clean up until Kim gets home.
The Vikings momentum. Gonna get it there at the end of the first half. That touchdown pass from Aaron Rodgers.
Alright, so Kimaura's asleep now. Just put her down. She went down pretty easily. I'm just about to get changed. I'm about done cleaning up for now. It's just too much going on. Kim should be home from church in a little bit. And then I guess I'm gonna hop on the grill. I think I'm gonna make some steak. I'm not sure what Kim ordered from the grocery store, but I definitely wanted to make some steak today. And then whatever else we got going, I'm sure she'll cook in the kitchen, and then I'm gonna just be on the grill outside with Jace running around. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Hopefully Kim will be home soon. And yeah, right? Ready for mom to be home? Oh, Jace gotta take a nap soon, really too. This is about 11 o'clock, so maybe not like for another hour and a half, really. But what are you doing, Jace? What are you doing? Yeah, do you know what that is? Oh, mommy's home.
Mommy's home.
Let me see that. Mommy's home. Go get mommy.
During the commercial break, so he appears to be ready for the next Jets drive. Meanwhile,
He wants to go outside. He's saying, excuse me, he wants to go outside. Can you what?
Can I have some peas?
Hey guys, so I'm back from church and the groceries got delivered, so I'm gonna put the groceries away and then set out the meat because Jeffrey's gonna grill. So just wanted to tell y'all what I was doing before I got started.
It's a shirt. It's a shirt.
A shirt? Why does it smell like poop over here? Did Dad throw a poopy diaper in the trash can?
That's it.
Did you go poop? No? Pineapple. Yeah, I'm gonna pull everything out once I get the groceries on. Because even out the freezer, it still has to go for us. So I'm kind of doing this backwards because now I feel like I should clean out the fridge better than I did. I tried to clean out the fridge and then put the groceries in, but that's just not happening right now. But now I'm kind of regretting it. So I think I am going to halfway clean the fridge as I'm putting the groceries in. So we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to try to stick these little things on the window and hopefully that keeps the kids slightly entertained. I dropped a bunch of their toys from the playroom upstairs onto the ground down here so that Jeffrey and I can get to cooking and cleaning and vibing and maybe they're more entertained. He did look like he was running away from it.
loves to make the back shoulder throw. Been working and teaching these guys to look quickly in those situations. And you see Mike Williams' head came late. Good coverage by the South. He's having to get to right there. Holding it off, and what's he do? Get your head turned, find the football. Knowing what Aaron Rodgers likes to do is throw it quick. He locates it, the receiver does it. And a nice catch to finish the game. Rodgers wanted a flag.
Like this.
Clearly did not get one.
Like this.
And Stefanko comes up with the big play the Vikings defense needed. And it's victory formation time. The Minnesota Vikings will hit their bye week with a London game victory and a 5-0 record. What you love about the team is both sides are showing up and making the big play when they have to.
I'll make one spice. 9:30. I don't know. Why I asked?
I'm really excited to spend a lot of time with Toby and Gabe.
What do you want? Ready?
It's time to set the fall vibe.